not alone. Every road has left a sign, written deep inside my mind. Morning comes, the sun will rise. Hope is living in my eyes. Every step I've walked before leads me back to something more. Every mile has made me strong. Now I know where I belong. Long road home, carry my soul. Every step keeps calling, never let me go. Long road home, through the night I roam. Every sunrise tells me I'm coming home. Old guitar beside my side, still my faithful friend and guide. Simple songs beneath the sky, never asking questions why. Brothers wave along the street, children dancing to the beat. Every smile reminds me now, life is simple somehow. No matter where the river bends, every journey has an end. Home is more than where you stay, it's the love along the way. Long road home, carry my soul. Every dream keeps burning like the morning sun. Long road home, now I finally know, wherever love is waiting, that's my